Hello everybody, Adrian Melero once again from Miami Acupuncture Therapy, and in today's video we're going to talk about microcurrent facial and acupuncture points. Now basically, microcurrent facial on its own is very effective and you're going to get results no matter what, but there are ways that you can enhance the results by one, having a pre-programmed frequencies with the microcurrent that help enhance the results, and two, by utilizing acupuncture points, specific points that will help enhance the effects, particularly points that connect from one end of the acupuncture channel to the other. So sometimes you didn't have like a whole body effect since you're going from one end of the acupuncture channel to the other. And half of the acupuncture points and channels, half of the acupuncture point channels either start on the face or end on the face. So it makes it very effective, and a lot of the points are interconnected between the face. It's also very effective for Bell's palsy and facial paralysis, as I have seen very good results clinically as well with that. In addition to the acupuncture points, we combine with color light. So I'm going to demonstrate here real quick. Now, for the whole microcurrent procedure, for the facial rejuvenation, I have a video on the whole procedure from start to finish, describing the details, but today I'm going to go over the acupuncture points. Here is the beginning of the bladder channel, and here is the end of the triple warmer channel, and then by stimulating both at the same time, I'm activating the acupuncture points. Now, this activation of the acupuncture points is right after I just do kind of like the overall area stimulation, etc. From there, we could do gallbladder 1 and also the end of this channel. Then you have like the red LED light, which helps with the stimulation and enhance the results. It does travel within the acupuncture channels as well, the light. Here we have the end of the large intestine channel and the beginning of the stomach channel, which a large number of the stomach channel points run throughout the face. Then you have like the beginning of the Du channel and the end of the Ren channel. And then you could connect all that together. Then you repeat the same on the other side of the face, and from there you continue to do the rest of the procedure. For more on that, you can see my other video on that. You can look it up on my playlist. And for more videos on microcurrent facial rejuvenation, microcurrent acupuncture, or any of our other revolutionary remedies, be sure to subscribe and click the bell button so you get the notifications. So until the next video.